Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Jyoti Tiwari. We will study here 9th class mathematics. So today I am going to discuss the syllabus of mathematics of 9th class. First chapter is number system. In this we will learn rational number and irrational numbers, real numbers and their decimal expansion, representation of real number on number line, operations on real numbers, laws of exponents for real numbers. Next chapter is polynomials. Polynomials in one variable, zeros of a polynomial, remainder theorem, algebraic identities. Next one is coordinate geometry. Cartesian coordinate, plotting of points on the plane if coordinates are given. Next chapter is linear equations in two variables, linear equation and their solution, graphical representation, equations of line parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Next chapter, lines and angles. In this we will study intersecting and non-intersecting line, pairs of angles, parallel lines and transversals, lines parallel to the same line, angle sum property of a triangle. Next one is triangles. In this we will study congruence of triangles, criteria for congruence of triangle, axioms and theorem, inequalities in a triangle. Next one is quadrilaterals. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral, types of quadrilaterals, properties of a parallelogram, the midpoint theorem. Next one is areas of parallelograms and triangles. In this we will study parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallels, triangle on the same base and between the same parallels. Next one is circles. Angle subtended by a chord at a point, a perpendicular from the center to a chord, circle through 3 points, equal chords and their distances, angle subtended by an arc of a circle, cyclic quadrilaterals. Next one is construction of angle and triangles. Next chapter is Hero's formula. In this we will learn how to find the area of a triangle if 3 sides of the triangle is given. Next one is surface area and volumes. In this we will find the surface areas and volumes of cube, cylinder, cone, sphere and semisphere. Next chapter is statistics. In this we will discuss collection of data, presentation of data, graphical representation of data and histograms. Next chapter is probability.